Now, second characteristic of the sound on the basis of which we are able to differentiate different sounds, that is pitch. And it is the characteristics of sound which differentiates a shriller sound from a flat sound. Now children, I am using a word shriller here and then I am using a word flat here. Understand one thing, that pitch depends on frequency. And if I say we have higher frequency, if I use the word higher frequency, means it will produce shriller sound. And if I have a lower frequency, then it will produce a flat sound. Generally, you must have noticed, girls have a shriller voice than the boys. Exceptions are always there, children, so don't take it as a statement. Nowadays, you can hear my voice. I have a very flat voice. I speak loud to make you clear, but otherwise I have got a flat voice. Flat voice means my frequency of my sound is low. And girls generally, they have a very shrill voice, or women you can say they have a shriller voice than the men. So pitch, I defined it as, it is the characteristic of the sound which differentiates a shriller sound. So shriller sound means high frequency sound from a flat sound. Flat sound means low frequency sound. I can use the word high frequency also here. I can use the word low frequency. And pitch depends upon frequency. Higher the frequency, you will get a shriller sound. Lower the frequency, you will get a flat sound. So pitch is another characteristic with the help of which we can differentiate different sounds. Now you must have noticed, when any instrument, musical instrument is being played, like let's say we play a sitar, and there are different wires over there, thinner wire, thicker wire, and if you plug those wires, you will find that they will produce sound of different frequency. Thinner the wire, it will produce a high frequency sound or a shriller sound. And thicker the wire, it produces low frequency sound or a flat sound. So basically pitch depends upon the frequency, that is the factor. Higher the frequency, shriller the sound, lower the frequency, flat sound. So two characteristics we took up, number one loudness and number two pitch of the sound. Children, please revise these, whatever I have told you in the videos of characteristic of sound, they are important. Thank you.